Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the screen and frame to find the tear or loose spline. This tells you whether to patch or rescreen. Once done, remove the window sash from its track and lay it flat on a table. Make sure to protect the glass with a cloth. Use the screwdriver to pry out the old spline and lift the damaged screen mesh carefully. You're now positioned to begin installing new material quickly and cleanly. You'll cut away the old mesh and clear the spline channel so the frame is clean. This prevents bumps later. Next, lay the new screen over the frame, keeping it square and leaving about 1/2 to 1 inch overlap all around. Start pressing in the new spline with the roller from one corner, keeping tension so the mesh stays taut but not overstretched. Make sure to trim excess mesh close to the spline for a neat edge. You're ready to reinstall the sash. Place it back in the track and operate the window to confirm fit and smooth movement. Once fitted, inspect for any sagging. If the screen has slack, remove spline in that section and re-roll with slightly more tension. Make sure the corners are seated well. If a tear appears after installation, patch small holes with clear adhesive or, for larger damage, remove and replace the entire mesh to ensure durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.